Mary, what you up to?
Oh, I'm harvesting my guerilla gardening.
Really?
Yeah, check out all these radishes I got.
Wow, let me take a look at all that. Is that full? Oh my God.
Isn't that awesome? Look at that.
Are those the ones you just threw out in the yard?
Yeah, these are ones I just broadcast out in the yard.
Wow, you are a green thumb.
I love the garden. Now we got plenty to share too. My guerrilla gardening is quite a success. I had taken old seeds and just put them in the mulch and mixed them up to see what might grow in the mulch. And look at all these radishes. Oh, there's so many of them. It is doing great. So look at that. Oh, yeah, doing good. And this is just leftover seeds in my yard. Edible landscape.